using search to find and connect with leads. Hey there, friends! If there's one key takeaway from the previous lesson, is that it is vital to catch truly qualified leads. After all, that's the goal of every action and step we have taken on each lesson so far. Many marketers and businesses have a hard time with this, not realizing that every feature on social media can be exploited for this. This is the case of the search feature on LinkedIn. And in this lesson, we are going to show you an easy yet very effective way to use it so we can find the best business leads. Getting started. You can use the search feature from basically anywhere on LinkedIn, be it your feed, your profile, or your company page. For this example, we are going to use it from the home page. The search bar is located in the top left corner of the screen, and you can use it to search for anything on LinkedIn, from content and people to company pages and groups. Using search to find leads. Using it to find the best business leads is a strategy. Start by clicking inside the search field. Without typing anything, click on the People button in the results display. This will take you to the People Finder section. Here you can search and browse leads, and to add the best ones to your network. Now to find only the best fits for your business and your network, you'll have to use the search filters. For this, click on the All Filters option in the toolbar. On this window, you can select the criteria to filter the leads that you'll see in the results page. The following are the more important filters. Start by selecting locations. Simply select locations where people are more likely to understand your offer, and also where they are more likely to be interested in purchasing your products and services. If you have a list of companies where you'd like to target decision makers, enter their names into the current company's field and select them from the results. If not, leave this section unchecked. Now enter the name of the industries where you'd want to service leads into the industries field and select them from the results. Now select the profile language of the leads that you want to connect with. Lastly, select the services category that best describes your perfect lead. Then click on the Apply button once you are done selecting all filters. Now you will find the leads that fit your criteria in the results column. What you'll do now is to start identifying the decision makers in this group. These are the CEOs, the founders, the coaches, the presidents, and the executives. Identify the ones that run companies that could benefit from your offers, the ones that are likely to engage with your content, and the ones that are likely to join your groups. Then, click on the Connect button on each qualifying leads card. Once you connect with these leads, work on establishing a relationship by interacting with their content and sharing with them stuff that is relevant and that can be of use for them. Then you can start sending them invites to join your groups, where you can deepen the relationship so you can move them further down your funnel.